Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola is consumed at an astounding rate of 8,400 servings per second worldwide. Despite its widespread popularity, the exact recipe for this iconic drink remains a closely guarded secret, much like Heinz's secret ketchup formula and KFC's 11 herbs and spices. Coca-Cola's recipe is shrouded in mystery, adding to its allure. The production process begins with water, which undergoes rigorous distillation to ensure purity. The distilled water is then sent to the syrup preparation area, where it's mixed with sugar and Coca-Cola's secret concentrate, a key element that gives the drink its unique taste. This concentrate is produced in only 5 of the Coca-Cola Company's factories globally, while other facilities focus on bottling and distribution. The concentrate itself is believed to contain a base of corn syrup or sugar, combined with ingredients like dye, orthophosphoric acid, caffeine, and flavorings. These elements work together to create Coca-Cola's signature flavor profile. In the final stages of production, the mixture is carbonated to add its iconic fizz and then bottled for distribution. With a process so meticulously controlled and a recipe so well guarded, it's no wonder imitators struggle to replicate Coca-Cola's success. From the precise distillation of water to the addition of the secret syrup, every step in Coca-Cola's production reflects a commitment to maintaining its legendary chocolate. In 2020, the United States, Switzerland, and Germany topped the charts as the biggest chocolate consumers, accounting for 32% of global consumption, a staggering 11.2 million tons. With such high demand, chocolate factories rarely rest, constantly receiving fresh shipments of cocoa beans. The journey of chocolate begins with cocoa beans. They are meticulously sorted, roasted to remove their shells, and ground into a rich mass. This mass is then heated to about 40 degrees Celsius, releasing the beans' natural oils. The resulting mixture is combined with sugar and optional ingredients like nuts or berries to enhance flavor. If the oil content is insufficient, additional cocoa butter is added to ensure the right texture. A crucial step follows: stirring. This process, which takes around 3 days, is vital for developing the chocolate's smooth and flavorful profile. Once perfected, the chocolate is poured into molds to set. The final step involves careful packaging. Aluminum foil, commonly used to wrap chocolate, not only prevents the absorption of external odors but also helps maintain its temperature, keeping it cool and fresh. From bean to bar, every step in chocolate production is a blend of science and artistry, delivering the sweet treat beloved worldwide. Choco Pie. Choco Pie, a beloved treat, was invented by a South Korean company and has since captured hearts worldwide. Over its 44-year history, Choco Pie sales have reached an impressive $4.6 billion, proving its enduring popularity. This dessert is surprisingly simple yet indulgent. A soft marshmallow layer is sandwiched between 2 cake layers, sometimes featuring unique fillings like condensed milk with poppy seeds. The entire treat is then coated in a luscious layer of chocolate. In factories, the production of Choco Pie is a precise and efficient process. Large machines bake rows of cakes, often producing up to 24 pieces at a time. These cakes are then paired with marshmallow layers before being glazed with chocolate. After cooling, the Choco Pies are carefully packaged, ready to delight sweet-toothed fans around the globe. For those inspired by this treat, the internet offers countless homemade Choco Pie recipes. With a bit of creativity, it's a delicious reason to explore the art of baking at home. French fries. The journey of French fries starts much like potato chips with the washing and peeling of potatoes. These tubers are then transferred to drums, where they are cut into uniform slices. However, McDonald's fries have a few extra steps that contribute to their iconic taste and appearance. According to the Daily Mirror, the sliced potatoes are dipped in dextrose, a natural sweetener that helps achieve their signature golden color when fried. Additionally, sodium acid pyrophosphate is applied to maintain the fries' consistency and prevent discoloration. After these treatments, the slices are partially fried to lock in their flavor and texture. The final cooking is completed at McDonald's outlets, ensuring the fries are served fresh and crispy. For transport, the partially cooked fries are carefully frozen to preserve their quality until they reach the restaurants. These meticulous steps transform simple potatoes into the world's most famous fries. Red Gold canned tomatoes. Red Gold, the largest tomato processing company in the United States, is renowned for producing some of the world's tastiest canned tomatoes. With a massive distribution center spanning 93,300 square meters, Red Gold ensures top-notch quality in every can. Each tomato undergoes an extensive process, passing through 11 meticulous stages. They are washed an impressive 7 times and rinsed 18 times to guarantee cleanliness and freshness. This rigorous attention to detail is what sets Red Gold apart, delivering flavorful canned tomatoes that have earned a global reputation for excellence. Whether enhancing sauces, soups, or stews, Red Gold's commitment to quality makes its tomatoes a staple in kitchens everywhere. Fruit juice. While fruit juice may appear to be a healthier alternative to soda or snacks, a single glass of store-bought juice contains about 5 teaspoons of sugar. Those commercials showing fresh fruit magically turning into juice, they often don't reflect reality. Only about 10% of manufacturers use traditional pressing methods. The majority rely on frozen concentrate. The production process of juice from concentrate begins with washing, peeling, and pressing the fruit. The water in the extracted mass is evaporated at around 65 degrees Celsius to retain vitamins, as higher temperatures can degrade them. This concentrate is later mixed with purified water, pasteurized, and aerated to remove air bubbles. To ensure safety, the juice is heated again to 60 degrees Celsius to eliminate microorganisms before being poured into sterile containers. Though efficient, this method can sometimes compromise the natural essence of fruit juice. It's always a good idea to check labels or opt for fresh, unprocessed options for a truly wholesome beverage. Pocky Sticks. Pocky Sticks get their name from the Japanese word pocky, mimicking the delightful cracking sound they make when snapped. Originally coated in chocolate, these beloved treats have expanded to include flavors like strawberry and coconut, appealing to a wide range of tastes. As a cookie at heart, Pocky production starts with carefully prepared dough. A specialized machine shapes the dough into long, spaghetti-like strips, which are then baked and cut to the precise size of 15.8 centimeters, as specified by enthusiasts. Once baked, the sticks are coated in a glossy layer of glaze or flavored coating, giving Pocky its signature look and taste. The final step is careful packaging, ensuring these crunchy delights reach fans worldwide in perfect condition. Chips. Potato chips are a global favorite, with an estimated 4.8 billion pounds consumed last year alone. Producing such a massive quantity is no small feat, but the process can be boiled down to 4 simple steps: peel, cut, fry, and pack. Modern technology ensures that potatoes go from truckloads to crispy delights in just 1 hour. The journey begins with washing, followed by a rapid peeling process, where powerful machines remove the skins in just 90 seconds. The peeled potatoes are sorted in, sliced into thin pieces, approximately 1.3 millimeters thick. These slices are then washed to eliminate excess starch, which is often repurposed and sold. Next comes the frying stage. The potato slices are fried in hot oil at 150 degrees Celsius, creating that perfect golden crunch. After frying, spices and seasonings are added. This is where creativity shines, with unique flavors like avocado, wasabi, or laub basia soda tantalizing taste buds. Finally, the chips are carefully bagged. To maintain their crispiness and prevent breakage, nitrogen is added to the packaging, ensuring the chips stay fresh and intact during transportation. From simple spuds to a flavorful snack, the production of potato chips is a blend of efficiency and artistry.